Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create group presentations. So the first thing is to log into your FIT Blackboard and find the course that you belong to. Navigate to the content area of your course. Go into the assignment. In this case, this is the group student presentation. Click on the document that is attached to the assignment and make sure you read the document carefully. The presentation that you will create will be based on this document. After carefully reading this document, you can go ahead and close that tab. The next step is to log in to your FIT Gmail account and at the top right hand corner click on the 9 little dots and that will take you to your Google Apps. The next step is to click on Google Slides and that will open a new tab. Next step, go ahead and click on the blank document so that you can start a new presentation. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now, as you can see, you can begin working on your group presentations. But before you do that, at the top right hand corner, there's a yellow share button. Go ahead and click on that share button and give your group presentation a title. Click on the Save button. And now this is where you are going to invite the other group members of your team. Keep in mind that only one person in the group has to do this. Once your team members are added into this group presentation, then everyone in your group can edit the presentation together. So I am going to type in my teammates' email. Make sure that you're using the FIT email and then add the next person in your team. Okay, make sure that the correct role is selected and you want to make sure that each member of your team has the editor role. Next thing that you want to do is you can include a short message letting your teammates know that this is an invitation to edit. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on the Send button at the bottom right. This will notify your group members that they are invited to edit on this group presentation. And as you can see, if I go to my email, I have received an invitation link to edit the group presentation. All that I need to do is just click on this link and it will take me directly into the group presentation. Now each member of the team can log in at the same time and we can work on this presentation together. Once your team is done creating the presentation, and the day for presentation comes up, then you want to go to your Blackboard course. Click on the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra link. It's the one with the camera icon next to it. I want to go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to the landing page where you have to select the session that we'll be meeting for that day. In this case, I have a test session set up. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click on the Join Session button. Now I am in the room. The next thing that I have to do is make sure you turn on your microphone and your webcam. After you have turned on the microphone and your webcam, at the bottom right hand corner there is a purple icon. You want to go ahead and click on that. That will open the Collaborate panel. After you have the panel open, go ahead and click on Share Content. And from here, you're going to go ahead and click the Share Application screen. Now, remember, only one member of your group has to share the presentation. There is only one presentation, so there is no need for all members of the team to share their screen. You only need to elect one person in your group to share the presentation. And so the next step is to click Share Application Screen. Make sure that the entire screen is selected. Notice that the Share button is not highlighted. You can't click on the Share button until you click on this screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Notice now that the Share button has been highlighted. So go ahead and click on that button there. Now I get this hall of mirrors. This tells me that I am currently sharing my screen. I want to go ahead and take this out of the way because it's blocking the view. So I'm going to click on Hide. Now I want to go to where my presentation is. So I'm going to click on the Group Presentation tab over here that has Google Slides open. Now from here, I can now go ahead and click Present, and it will go into presenter mode. And of course, I don't have anything on my slides right now, but from here now, I can start presenting. To move forward, you can click on the right arrow on your keypad or on your keyboard. To move to the previous slide, you can go ahead and click on the left arrow key, and that will take you to the previous slide. Once you are done presenting, you can hit the Escape key. Now, remember, this is a group presentation, so from Collaborate, your professor will allow you and the other members of your team to speak as one member of your team is changing the slides. So that's pretty much it for this presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at Jose_Diaz1 at fitnyc.edu. That email once again is Jose, Jose_Diaz, DIAZ1 at fitnyc.edu. Good luck with your presentations.